Hello. Wow, big party. Good. Yeah. Huh? 100. Looks so busy. It's good. Welcome to Bali. I know you. How was it? Busy?
I'm so busy.
Oh, that's good.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the session at the moment in Legian Bali on Malasti Street. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the session right there at the moment, just keep staying in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how today? Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will make this video in Legian Bali on Malasti Street. So if you want to know how the session at the moment on Malasti Street, just make sure watch the video until the end. And our journey today start from exactly at the front, Legian Beach Hotel. Let me show you around here. As usually, I start my video from this area. And yeah, around 300 meters is Kuta Beach and Legian Beach over there. Yeah, we all together, we will see a lot of tourists on Malasti Street today. Malasti Street, Legian Bali. You see across the street? Yeah, a few tourists over there. It's good. It's quite busy. And now I also will cross the street. Yeah. The traffic's not so heavy actually, but they just drove in fast. Ah, finally, I can cross the street. Okay, from the west on Malasti Street, I'm walking until to the east area on Malasti Street, Legian Bali. Hello. Wow, big party. Good. Big party. Hello, brother.
Hello.
Wow, big body, brother. Wow, so big. Good. Yeah, let's see together how busy Legian Bali today on Malasti Street. Woohoo. You see across the street? Yeah, pictures over there. It's good. Wow, busy. Welcome to Bali. Where do you come from?
Australia.
Where about in Australia?
Perth.
Of course. Easy to fly to Bali, yeah?
Yeah.
No for us. First time come to Bali?
No, I live here.
Are you living in Bali? Nah, come on. Yeah. But it's true. A lot of foreigner, Australian, they retire in Bali. A lot of Australian retire in Bali.
Yes.
Are you too?
No.
Just vacation, yeah?
Yeah.
How long? How many time?
How many times been to Bali?
Yeah.
100.
Huh? 100. Whew, so easy for you. Thank you very much for come to Bali. Bali very quiet now. We hope together because business very sad. Actually, I'm tour driver, so no customer because very quiet. Yeah. And then I make YouTube since the pandemic happening. So yeah, lot. I got 6,000 followers already. Yeah, they're watching my video, and then lucky Facebook pay me now, helping me. Okay, have a good day, yeah. Wow, looks so busy inside. My wife working here. My wife. Wow. Wow. See my wife and working. Okay, good worker. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Wow. Wow, so loud. So loud. Okay, let's keep continue walking on Malasti Street. And this is sorry. Legian Art Market. Hello. Pretty girl. Hello. Let me introduce you. This is my wife working here. Wow, busy inside. That's good. A lot of tourists having, gonna say like lunch, but it's too late. Dinner too early. What do you want to say? Between lunch and dinner. If between breakfast and lunch, we call brunch. So I don't know, in between lunch and dinner, what's it called? Okay, let's keep continue walking on Malasti Street. This is Uncle Norm. Wow. Uncle Norm. Looks so busy, it's good. Welcome to Bali.
Is that TikTok?
I just make YouTube.
Oh, YouTube.
Yeah, this
Get on TikTok.
Facebook, YouTube, sorry. It's about appreciation in Bali.
Sorry. We're TikTok famous. He's tagged me in it. Bali Bogan.
Oh, Bali Bo. Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
He's famous.
Really? Wow. TikTok, yeah? I tried to find him. It's quite busy, isn't it? That's good. A lot of tourists over here. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Uncle Nom looks so busy inside. That's really good. And I have a friend. They are guitarists in there. They play music in the afternoon, usually around 7 until 11 p.m. Hello. Well, also in the restaurant. It's quite busy there. It's good. Hello. And this is the goat. Wow. Yeah. Let's keep continue walking on Malasti Street until to the east part. I know you. Wow, look busy in this area. It's good, not really bad. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's some people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the adaptation at the moment in Legian Bali on Malasti Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Wow, busy over there is good. This is the way to go to Lebak Bana Street. I already made video over there about 10 days ago maybe. Maybe 2 weeks ago, I forget already. Wow. The mahogany. Clean. Woo. Legian Golden Square over here. You see the sign? Legian Golden Square. So I'm gonna say on Malasti Street that is the most famous area for shopping when you are in Bali, because there is few art market in this area. And also we have Kmart, the art market at Garlic Lane Legian Bali, and I already made video over there a few days ago, so you can find video down this video. Wow. Hello. Welcome to Bali, brother. Whoa. Happy day. Enjoy your holiday, brother. Maybe too bright inside. Now I will cross the street to other side. Okay, let's cross the street. Cross the street. Pemerintah diam aja. Wow, how was it? Busy?
I'm so busy.
Oh, that's good.
Hello.
Yeah, still very quiet, but we hope together getting more busier very soon. Thank you.
Itu mau lihat videonya di mana?
Hah?
Mau diupload di mana?
Di YouTube.
YouTube siapa?
Itu YouTube saya.
Ada nggak nanti?
Ada. Berikan.
Apa nama YouTube-nya?
Bali Travel Vlog gitu.
Bali kan Bali.
Enggak, Bali Travel Vlog itu punya saya.
Bali Travel
Vlog. Iya. Dicari aja pasti ada kok. Ya, makasih. Okay, let's keep continue walking on Malasti Street until the end. Wow. So far in this area, in this part, not really busy. Legian Art Market. This is also Legian Art Market. Maybe let's walk around inside Legian Art Market. How busy over there today. Wah, ngerumpi, asik ngerumpi. Legian Art Market. Wow, quite busy. That is good. A lot of tourists in this area. See? Okay guys, so this is our journey today on Malasti Street. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Legian Bali on Malasti Street. And don't forget to do the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Woohoo. As I told you, I will make video until the end on Malasti Street. So I have to keep going. Yeah, this is the end on Malasti Street. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.